Hey guys, it is me Ryan again today. I know that I have not been vlogging, but I am because I was so busy. And yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. Are you guys okay? Yeah, okay. So I got my cousins here. I got Monet. I got Monet on the vlog. I got Monet on the vlog. I got Nina on the vlog. I got I'm not watching that. My mom is. So, yeah.
My closet is going to
He laid on them.
None of us can figure that out.
Hey, it's in a classroom. Somebody like sleeping, but they like look bad. Like he's laughing.
But that would help down
Charles
here,
Manson.
and that would help.
I know you know who that is.
Make yours more.
Duh. Explain it on American Horror Story.
Alright, guys.
We don't have that many coats.
So I'm just drinking some water. Bye.
We'll have that one going tomorrow.